Lights! Guys, these will not be here. Only some candles, okay? Not even this. We can't find any more candles. What should we do, sis? I don't know, but we have to keep on looking. Oh, some candles! 2 candles! That's even better. I don't see any more candles, sis. Well, we'll see. Oh my god. Guys, pretend those lights are not even on. Pretend these lights are not even on. A candle! Well, this candle's on something. I don't care. At least need to... Oh, more candles, sis! Perfect. A big candle thing. That's the most imperfect thing. And you have to press on each one to cheer. Another one of these candles, sis. Oh my god, I can't hold anymore. It's too full. Good thing you got it. I've got it. Well, there's some candles here. Look, so many candles in here. I'll just get them all. 1 and 2 and 3 candles. I didn't even know we'll find this much. Me too. Wait, get that backpack. Put this candle in. Okay. Oh, does it fit? I'll just put this one instead. It doesn't fit either. I'll just put them all inside of this box. Just get the entire box. Go, 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 go. They said we have to go in 10 minutes or else. Oh my god, we have to go. I literally went in the same place. Come on, hop the fence again. Jump in. We're back. We got lots of candles. Yeah, lots. See this one? This one's perfect. I know. We have to... I'm gonna put it on this side because that one doesn't... Look, I got these all. This lamp will be for this side. Plus the candle. Because the candle is the most important one. To put the candle there. There's gonna be lots of candles, so take care. Here, take these 2 candles in front. Oh, they're matching! Yeah, they're matching. And this is gonna be for me, guys. A candle. Another one. I'll just start to put all these around the place. One there. This one's gonna be here. Like right there. And this one's pretty big too. So I'll just put it this side because there was nothing there. Great idea. We got this one, so I'll just put it here for now. This box is empty now, I'll just throw it. Okay. This one's perfect. This cat is cute. She literally just meowed you. Hey, that means I'm cursed. Oh my god, you always think that means it's cursed. Yeah, it means I'm cursed. Doesn't it? No, it doesn't. This bat could stay there. We have 2 of those bats. Why do I care? No. That place has so much light. Won't it be there? Okay, are we done? Yep. This place is pretty light now. Good thing I tied my hair into braids. Yeah, or else that would have been so hard for you to tie. That was funny. One candle goes out. Oh no, I have to go light it again with the lighter. Another candle goes out. All of the candles go out because of the strong breeze. Why are the candles going out? Zainab, why are they all going out? And the power literally just went out. And our lamp. Your hair is the only thing that's giving us light. I'm gonna put them all on. But there's something I want to tell you guys. The lighter. It's not working a lot good. First one. Let me just put on this lamp. Perfect. These three guys. This three. This one. Perfect. That one up there could be down here. These two. This one. This one that's up there could be down here. Then put them on. Great job. Yep. Where's the lighter, by the way? I'm just gonna put it over there. Oh my god, they all went out again. Zainab! Oh my god, why are they always going out? There's something wrong. What is wrong? The breeze. We still haven't closed the patch. I'm going up and closing it. I closed it. Oh, it feels so much warmer now. Let me just turn this one on. Perfect. I'm going to bed, okay, guys? Okay. Everyone go to bed now. It's better. You're right, Zainab. Everyone to bed. Even you, David. Why, Lexi? If you literally just ask me, okay, I'm not gonna be in this drama anymore. Taking this, taking this, and go to bed. I'm sleeping on this mat. Well, you don't want to even be comfy. Just leave me alone. He literally slept. I'm just gonna turn off these. Except this one. This one, except that one. Now everyone go to bed. It's better. Me too, I'm going to bed. I'm literally not always in this drama. I'm going to sleep on this mat. No one could sleep next to me. Okay? Oh my god, they're both asleep. I know, I'm going to bed too. I'm just gonna change into my PJ. Perfect. My teddy. Can I go sleep next to her? No. You sleep here. Oh, really? Okay, fine. I'm going to bed too, honey. Here's your PJ. Thanks, I'm just gonna be changing in a bit. Finally changed. I'm just gonna put mine on. Okay, I'll just put her to bed. Here's your PJ, sweetie. Hi. They're all asleep now. Even she's asleep. I'll just put her next to her. No, you actually hate you for that. Oh, it's none of my business. Her sister needs to fall asleep. Okay, let's turn off all the candles. I'm just gonna keep on the heater. The heater's too much. Just move it to them. Like, I'll just put it right there. On the table. All of them are asleep. Let's go to bed. I'll sleep next to your son. Okay, I'll sleep here. The next morning. Everyone wake up! Everyone wake up! The tornado has passed! Oh my god. What is that? That's just nothing, okay? Okay. Why do we have to wake up right now? I'm so tired, guys. Wait for part 3 or 4. I can't really count. Nah, don't wait for part 3 or 4. Let's complete. Oh my god, the sun has rised. They said the tornado has passed. Come on, everyone, pack up. Oh my god, come on, everyone, pack up. Well, Dad is going crazy today. Okay, get the here. Get every lamp or something that you like. I like them. I'm just gonna put you 2 in here. Let's put everything in the bags. Guys, well, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to give me a like and a subscribe today. And see you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.